What if your tiny backyard could become your favorite place at home? In these Small Backyard Ideas 2026, you'll discover how a simple backyard makeover can transform a small outdoor space into a relaxing outdoor paradise. From smart backyard design and beautiful landscaping ideas to cozy seating, every detail makes a difference. Stay with us as we reveal practical ideas that are stylish, functional, and perfect for modern American homes. A beautiful small backyard design isn't about having more space, it's about using every inch wisely. By combining functional outdoor furniture, modern paving, and thoughtful landscaping, you can create an inviting outdoor living space that feels larger than it really is. Today, we'll share simple ideas that make your backyard both beautiful and practical all year long. Every successful small backyard layout starts with smart planning. Divide your space into areas for relaxing, dining, and gardening to improve flow and comfort. A well-organized backyard design creates a more open feeling while making your outdoor living space easier to enjoy. Even the smallest yard can feel surprisingly spacious with the right layout. One of the easiest upgrades is choosing the right backyard paving ideas. Modern concrete pavers, natural stone, or decorative gravel create clean walkways while enhancing your landscaping design. Stylish paving connects different outdoor zones and gives your small backyard a polished, high-end appearance without overwhelming the space. The best outdoor furniture combines comfort with functionality. Compact sectionals, storage benches, and folding tables help maximize your small backyard while keeping it open and inviting. A smart furniture arrangement creates a cozy outdoor living space that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining guests, or enjoying family time. Modern pergola ideas instantly add style and structure to a backyard. A minimalist pergola provides shade, defines your seating area, and creates a beautiful focal point. Pair it with climbing plants, comfortable furniture, and soft outdoor lighting to build a cozy retreat that feels elegant throughout every season. Great outdoor lighting transforms your backyard after sunset. String lights, pathway lights, and subtle landscape lighting create warmth while highlighting your favorite landscaping features. The right lighting also makes your outdoor living space feel safer, more welcoming, and perfect for relaxing evenings with family and friends. A stylish portable fire pit is a simple way to create a cozy gathering space. Surround it with comfortable seating and warm lighting to enjoy cool evenings outdoors. This affordable addition turns your small backyard into a welcoming retreat that's ideal for entertaining, relaxing, and making memories year-round. beautiful landscaping ideas bring color, texture, and life to any backyard. Layer shrubs, ornamental grasses, flowering plants, and container gardens to create depth and privacy. Combining different heights and seasonal plants makes your small backyard feel lush, vibrant, and much larger than its actual size. As you've seen, the best small backyard ideas 2026 combines smart layouts, stylish paving, functional outdoor furniture, elegant pergola ideas, warm outdoor lighting, and creative landscaping ideas. With thoughtful planning, any small backyard can become a beautiful outdoor paradise. If you enjoyed these ideas, leave a comment with your favorite design, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more backyard inspiration.